working? Okay. You come in. You're throwing my stand away. Stand away. You can see your face. That's the you're looking. Sit down, sit down. Because he was looking this way, so come on, stand this way. Okay, sure. Why these all three are you change? What is it? It's some religious or something? Huh? Religious. Your friend is so happy. Okay, let's start. Continue now. What is the main problem, you people now? I'll tell you what are the two problems. Problem one, responses are very less. I am only talking only. You people. Response is less. Okay. Problem two. Problem two, I'll tell you. Factorization is a problem. Majority making mistakes. So to do improve means you have to practice regularly. Okay. Daily how many sums you have to practice? Huh? Deepam. How many sums daily to be practiced? What do you think? Daily how many sums? You can understand English? Okay. Daily how many sums to be practiced? What do you think? Sir, you say I will do that. Is it so? And daily how many you tell me? What 2 sums daily? One or two? Very good. Daily 1 or 2 sums means when are you going to appear the board exam? February next year. 1 year means how many months? Days are there? 365. Already 2 months are over now. Okay, 10 months. So you will do only 600 sums maximum. That is enough, you think? One chapter itself you need to do around 200 sums. 200 to 400 sums. Not enough. How many sums you have to do? What do you think, Daria? I don't know. What anyone thinks that daily or 10 sums. Daily 10 sums. Keep it a thing. Huh?
20 to 40 sums.
He do 20 to 40 sums daily.
One chapter daily.
In a day. Don't need to do 120 to 40 sums. If you have time, okay. At least daily do 10 sums. Make it a point so that you will improve, you will study. Okay. You know 1 or 2, 10 sums. Keep in mind. Time is there, no? Time is there, no? Yes, okay. Both of you talk each other by phone?
But it takes just 2 hours to complete one chapter.
Huh?
But it just takes 2 hours to
Hello, my
complete
dear, talking is not enough. My exam 2 hours and don't know. I will tell you, test paper, mark us to talk. That also you required, no? Okay. Chalo, 10 sums you do. He wanted to do 20 sums, okay, do 20 sums. You want to do 20 sums in a day? Okay, do it. Others, at least 10 sums. But where are you doing? I want to see. Okay. Chalo, let's continue. Huh? Again, questions are there for me and volume first complete. After that, I tell you which is covered. Okay? Alright. Let's start. Continue doing. Okay. Read. Deepam, read the next question. Question number. This was the question number which one? 4. Fifth question. Read.
Find the LCM and LCF of the following pair of integers and verify that LCM is equal into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers.
So you have to find out LCM, you have to find out HCF, then verify. How do you find out LCM? How do you find out LCM? Tell faster. Prime factorization do, then after prime factorization, product of greatest power of all the prime factors. How do you find the HCF? How will you find product of the least power of least nine common prime factors, na? In HCF it is common. LCM it is everything. Okay, what is the first set of numbers? Which are two numbers? 510 and 92. Okay, factorize. All of you do. 510 factorize, 92 factorize. We are going slow, little more speed up, we have to do it.
So,
Done.
sir, can we change the order?
Any order, but answer writing in same order. Any factorization, huh? The letter is a prime number. Those who got raise their hand, no. Sir, I got factorization. At least tell now.
Sir, I got calculated.
So that tell. 510. How did you factorize? Who did
Five
the-
into
No, how did you factorize 510? Look here, all of you. 510, how do you factorize means if it is ending 1 0, 2 and 5 are factors. Then left out is 51. Have you noticed? Deepam, have you noticed this one? See, when 0 means 2 into 5, left out is 51. If it was 5,000, look here. If it is 5,100, two zeros means there are two twos and two fives. Left out will be 51. 100 means 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Remember, last class I said 10 means 2 into 5. 100 means how many 2's? 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Like that number. See here it is coming as 2 zeros means this way it will go. You don't, then the factorization will come easy. Then over here, now 51, 3, then 17. Now 510, now you write in order. What is it? 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. 92. Factorization done? Yes or no? 92. 2's are 4, 6, 2's are 2, 3. 23 is equal to 2 raised to 2 into 23. How many of you got this answer? How many of you got this factorization? Nobody. Only 2, 3. 3, 4 people got it. Therefore, HCF they asked now. Answer is how much? 2. Who got 2? And LCM is equal to 2 square into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. That you have to multiply. 2 square is how much? 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 5, 60 into 17 into 23. Multiply and get the answer. You have a doubt? What's the doubt?
The 500 factor of this increasing 5
Hmm.
and then I got it into 5.
5 into? The mistake made now. What did you take? 5 now. This is 5. Then what is left out? Look here. Those are taken 5, 1, 0. If you are taken 5 means what they get? 1s are. Next, what is it? 0, 2. You are 12 now. Where from this there is nothing now. What are the difference? Mistake you have seen. So be careful. Identify it. Sure. So that's it. Who got the answer? What's it?
2, 3, 4, 6, 0.
2, 3, 4, 6, 0. All of you got when you multiply 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. That is the LCM. Now verification. They asked you verification now. Verify. HCF into LCM is equal to 2 into 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. Multiply. How much? 4, 6, 9, 2, 0. Product is equal to which two product? 510 into 92. If you multiply, you will see that same answer will come. Check. Who multiplied? Only Melvin, that's 2, 1 by 1 third. And I forgot your name? Anjali. Studying now, practicing now. Is it? Therefore, HCF into LCM is equal to product. Hence verified. Okay now, this is the step to be written. This much step, a mark is 3 mark. 1 mark for HCM, 1 for HCM, and failed. Okay, Arya, you want to ask something? Arya, tell no, don't worry, you ask. Ask you, clarify, no problem. Nobody will tell anything. Second, completed. All of you completed. Next question. Read. Who will read? Nobody is reading. I have to call one by
There is one more
one.
part.
Ah,
There is one more part.
what is the second part?
336 and 54.
Do it, all of you. 3, 3, 6 factorize and 54 factorize. After factorizing, tell me. Without mistake.
Done.
One done, once done. Kutujanan. Who else? Done. Getting now? Who? Factorization problem. है ना? You also. Factorization is a problem now. Gaurish, got it? Done. Who all got? One. Factorization and answer. Quick. Is the idea what is the factorization of 336 you got?
Um,
Huh?
3 into 3 into
2 is not there.
Huh?
2 is not there. Then tell first 2's power. 2 how many times? Only one time.
2 raised to 4.
So first you tell 2 raised to 4. Then
Into 3 into 7.
3 into 7. All of you got this? Who got this answer?
Yes.
Somebody got now? Okay, next. 54. You.
Sir.
Yes. 3 cube into 2.
First you will tell 2. 2 into 3 cube. Order you tell. Okay. Now, who got X here?
Sir.
Yes, tell.
2,
2 into
3.
3. Answer 6. LCM. What is it? 2 raised to 4
4.
into 3 cube into
Into
7. 2 raised to 4 is 16 into 27 into 7. Who multiplied? 3024. Who got 3024? Got this answer? How many of you got these two answers? Only 1, 2. What happened, Rituja? Mistake. Calculation mistake. You also made calculation mistake.
No, sir, I did not take 7. I took 2 here. So I got 2 raised to 7.
How? Mistake.
No.
Which one? This one. 336.
Yes.
2 raised to 7. How? Wrong now. Should I do?
It came 14 now. So I
14 is
take
2 into 7 now. 14 is
I
what?
took 2.
7.
And add 2 8 the 40. 7 the
2
40.
sevens na.
7 the 40.
Understood. Be careful. So 7 only. Understood. Try to understand the mistake. Still not getting, tell me. Who got? Arya got it? Mistake you made? What is the mistake? Where you made mistake?
That in 54.
Okay, 54 you made mistake.
Huh.
Okay. Okay, then next is verification. HCF into LCM. That is 6 into 3024. Multiply. And product 336 into 54. Verification also you have to do it. Check your steps.
What is the product?
Huh?
Product of the result?
Product of the, I don't know.
18144.
18144. Yes, that is correct. 18144. This also 18144. Got the answer now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes.
tell. Okay now? Getting? All of you getting now? Okay, over more parts are there?
No.
Only 2 parts now. Okay, next question, read.
Find the LCM and HCF of the integers given below by applying the prime factorization method, and also verify that for 3 numbers LCM and HCF product is true or not.
So you have to answer. Okay, there are 3 numbers.
Yes.
This is completed, all of you?
Yes.
Okay, let's 3 numbers. Okay, what are the 3 numbers?
7, 13 and 19.
7,
13,
13, 19. Okay, all the 3, there is no factorization, no? They are prime numbers. So 7 is equal to 7. 7 raised to 1. 13 is what? 13 raised to 1. 19 is what? 19 raised to 1. What is HCF? What is HCF?
1.
Least value of HCF. Nothing common means 1 is HCF. Remember always. Okay. If nothing is common means 1 is HCF. These are 3 prime numbers. Are we followed? Deepak followed? Sure, no? Therefore HCF. Now what is the LCM? What is the LCM? 7 raised to 1 is 7. 13 raised to 1, 13 into 90. Multiply and check. What is the answer? Do it. Melvin getting?
Yes. LCM.
Multiply. 13 into 7 is 91. 91 into 19.
1729.
1729. Who got? 1729. Okay. So 1729 is both answers you got. Now HCF into LCM. 1 into 1729, which is equal to 1729. Product means 7 into 13 into 19. That is same only 1729. Therefore LCM into, it's verified. Yes, no? Answer is yes. Is it true? Means yes. So for 3 numbers, it's not always true, sometimes it's true. Yes, Rituja, what happened? She's looking good.
So we have to write hence verified.
Hence, is it true? What is the question? Is it true or not? Yes, true. What's the question asked? Is it true or not? No. Okay, it is true. Okay, next, second one. Okay, Adia. Sure, followed. Next class, I will make you people do on the road. Be ready. Okay, next question. Adia, second question. Rituja is dreaming. Tell the second one.
20, 18 and 75.
20, 18, 75. I think Adia, Rituja is completed. Then do it now. 20 factorization, do it, tell now, fast factors, quick. Who will tell?
I will.
5 into 2, 2 square.
2 square into 5.
2 square into 5. 18, who will tell? 18.
3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.
So that is 2 into 3 square. 75. And that all simple. 25 threes are not 2 into 5 square. 2 into or 3 into? 3 into 5 square. Simple one. If you want to factorize, you factorize. It's not necessary, but don't make mistake. Got it? Therefore, HCF is equal to 2. How 2 is coming? Where is 2 over here? Is there any 2 in this one? 3. There is no 3 here. There is no 5 here. Is there anything common between them? So what is HCF? 1. LCM. Check. How many 2's? 2 raised to 2. How many 3's? 3 raised to 2. How many 5? 5 raised to 2. 2 3's is 6, 5's are 33's are 30 into 30 is 900. Yes or no?
But 2 will not come.
Huh?
2 and 0 will not come.
Where?
In LCM.
LCM. LCM or HCF?
LCM.
LCM, right? No, 2 no. 2 is how many powers? Highest power here to take now. What is the highest power of 2? 1? Highest power of 3. Highest power, no. Not everything multiply. Highest powers here to multiply. Understood? Now we followed HCF is 1. Least common power. Least common, there is no 2. Okay. Now verification. HCF into LCM is equal to 1 into 900, which is equal to 900. Product is equal to 20 into 80 into 75. Multiply and see. Then got over. The way she's studying, good, good, very good. Who multiplied? Huh? Nobody. I got it. How much product? 27,000. Yes or no? Yes. Rituja, how much you got? 27,000. Therefore, HCF into LCM is not equal to product. Answer is what? False or true?
False.
False. Not true. False. Okay. No. Not true. Okay, listen. So, which case it was true and which case it is false? Can you identify from this question? Sometimes it was true, sometimes it is false. In which case it become true, which case it become false? Who can identify?
Sir, in the cases where in question,
Uh,
the numbers are prime, that time it is
if the
true.
number is prime, very good.
It is true, and if the number is
The numbers were prime, the statement was true.
true.
Number was not prime, it is not. See, your HCM become 1 in both cases, but still it was not. Whereas prime numbers, it becomes true. Okay, no problem. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, is it clear? Okay, everyone, is it followed? Yes. Now, whatever. All okay? Is a question number, which one we are done? Question number 6. All of you done 6 one. Okay, read. Read, no, okay.
Check whether 6 and
6 and
6 raised to n
6 raised to n
can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n.
can end with digit 0 for any natural number n. Meaning of the question followed or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning? Tell me.
Sir, we have to check that 6 raised to n will means after we simplify it, we will get the number, the product, the last digit of the product as 0 or not.
So what is the value of 6 raised to n?
If you put any exponent, it will
Any-
Any exponent means what exponent you can put?
2, 3,
2,
1.
3. 2, 3. Forward. 1 cannot be. What is n?
Natural.
Natural number. What is the natural number? What are natural numbers? Counting 1, 2, 3. So 6 raised to 1 find out, 6 raised to 2 find out, 6 raised to 3 find out, 6 raised to 4 keep on find. You will get various answers now. What is 6 raised to 1? 6. 6 raised to 2? 36. 6 raised to 3? 216 and so on going on. Among that one, is there any number will end with 0? Are we followed? We find out 6 raised to 1, 6 raised to 2, 6 raised to 3, etc. Find out all the answers. Can you check? Can you tell whether is there anything will end with 0? Samir says no. Even she said no. Oh, so then why reason you have to tell? Simply you do not tell no. You will tell us that there are two answers. As Melvin.
Sir, if we simplify 6, means if we make it in the form of factorization, it would be 2 into 3. And if we express it in the form of power, suppose 2 into 3 into 2, power 2. So it would be 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Still it will not be coming because we need 2 and 5.
Did you hear? When a number ends with 0, it should compulsory have two factors. Which are the two factors?
2 and 5.
2 and 5 should be factors. Are you followed? Very nice. When number end with 0, any number end with 0, it must be see if there is a number is ending with 0. 5 is a factor. Ending with 0, 5 is a factor as well. Both 2 and 5 factors are there. If number is not ending, maybe 5 is not there or 2 is not there. Whenever a number ends with 0, what factors should be there?
2 and 5.
Both 2 and 5. If you factorize 6, 6 is factorized, 6 is same as what? 2 into 3. All raised to n. That means 2 raised to n into 3 raised to n. This 6 raised to n. Therefore, this 6 raised to n has two prime factors. Which are the two prime factors? 2 and 3. So, but when a number ends with 0, it should have both 2 and 5 as factors. Since 5 is not a factor, it will not end with 0. Okay, it should have 2 and 5 should be there. Since 5 is not there means the number will never end with 0. Are we followed? Okay, so write down the solution. Right. First you write these two. Written?
Yes, sir.
Then below write down. Here the prime factors are 2 and 3. Here the prime factors are 2 and 3. Okay. Therefore, 6 raised to n will never end with the digit 0. Will never end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. 6 raised to n will never end with this digit 0 for any natural number n, because any natural number n. Written? Because if a number ends with 0, because if a number ends with 0, it must have both 2 and 5. It must have both 2 and 5 as prime factors. As its prime factors. Both 2 and 5. It must have both 2 and 5 as its prime factor. Followed or not? Those are not followed, tell me. Those are tell now problem there. You're feeling what happened to this girl? You're feeling what? Next class onward, don't sit in the second last bench. Come on there. AC is there, okay. Enough space is there, okay. so that you don't feel that behind. Okay, Melvin, those are feeling hot only sit behind or cold only, sorry, not hot. Cold only sit behind. Okay, others will sit little front, 1, 2, 3. Now look here, all of you listen. If a number x is equal to the prime factorization 2 cube to 3 raised to 4 into 5 square into 7. In this number, how many zeros are there at the end? In this x has how many zeros are there at the end? 1 and 2, 5 zeros. Keep on counting. Did you follow what is the meaning of the question? The prime factorization of x is this one. Question is, how many zeros are there at the end of x when you multiply? 5, 2. Look here. Just now, if one, look here. 1, 2 and 1, 5 become how much? 10. 2 2s and 2 5s become how much? How much? 100. 3 times 2s, 2, 2, 2, and 3 5s become how much? 1000. So here how many zeros? 1 2 and 1 5 means 1 0. 2 2s and 2 5s means 2 zeros. 3 2s and 3 5s become how many? 3 zeros. Check how many 2s are there. 3. How many 5s are there? 2. That means you have to consider these 2 small one. Therefore, 2 zeros will be there. Understood or not? If it is 5 zeros means we should have how many 2s should be there? 5 2s and 5 5s should be there. Understood? If there are 3 zeros means how many 3s and how many 2s and how many 5s should be there? 3. Are we followed? Clear all of you? You have followed now? You also followed? Everyone followed? Okay. Hey, followed or not? Go deeper. Okay. Now, next is, listen carefully. What is the least number to be multiplied with x so that it should have 3 zeros at the end? What is the least number to be multiplied so that it should have 3 zeros at the end? 5. Very good. Look here. When you multiply this one, it will have 2 zeros only. We need 1 more zeros means already 1 2 is there now. 1 more 5 if you multiply means it will have 3 zeros at the end. Are you followed area? Yes or no? All of you followed? Okay. What will be the least number to be multiplied so that it should have 4 zeros at the end? 4 zeros at the end.
4 2s and 4.
Why 4 2s? Already 3 2s are there now. How many more 2s you need?
1.
1 2. And how many 2s, 5s you need? 2. That is equal to 5 square 25 into 50. If you multiply this by 50, it will have 4 zeros. See, we need 4 zeros means how many this one? 4 times 2 should be there, 4 times 5 should be there. There is only 3. So 1 more 2 and how many? 2 more 5. Therefore answer will be. Are we following? These all questions are not there, but in the exam you can get these all questions. So be careful. Followed. Brain started working. Oh, are you started working? Looking so tired. Tired. No. Sure. Okay, read the next question.
Explain why 7 into 11 into 13.
What happened? No. Explain why.
7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number.
Who is calling you all the time? Huh? No, not bigger. Put in this on silent mode. Mobile should be always in silent mode. Okay. Your lecture is till what time? 6:20. Okay. Hello. Till 6. Tell the parents don't call. Otherwise, I have to keep them. That is waiting there. Okay. And when Explain why. Which number?
7, 11,
11.
14,
Hmm.
plus 13.
Plus 13 is a composite number. What is the meaning of composite number? What is the meaning of composite number?
The number is more than two.
More than two factors. Means you have to show this as more than two factors. How to show?
So first we will take 13 as common.
What?
So we can express it in the form of product of prime.
So that means what is to be done?
First we have to take 13 common.
You can take, look here, you can take 13 common from everywhere. So if you're taking common from 13, what will happen? 13 into, what is left out?
7
7, only 7.
11.
Into 11, only this much.
into 1.
Plus, into 1.
1.
Plus 1. Very good. Yes or no? Look, from this 13 is removed means into 1, this is not required. Here plus 1. Are we followed? Then after that, Melvin is writing. What is he writing at all? Then after that,
So, I
13.
didn't go for 1.
are you what is removed 13 from here now? What is left out? You remove 13 common factor now. Look here. AB plus B. What is common here? B is common. What is left out? What is left? A plus nothing. 1, how many get 1? 1 into B is B. Are you followed? Okay, now followed now. Which one? More what? This is question. Did you read the question? Do you know which question you're doing? I read loudly.
Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite.
So you have to show this is a composite number. Understood? What is the meaning of composite number?
More than 2.
More than 2 factors. So you have to show that one. What I did. What we did. Tell.
We took out 13 as common.
Then what is the problem? You do not follow.
So what about 7 and 11?
So can you take 7 and 11 common? What about 7 and 11? Say this is what? What is this one? Answer to over here now. What is not common? Rituja, if I write ABC plus B, can you take anything common? Can you take anything common? What you can take common? B. So if you take common, what is left out? AC plus 1. Okay. So that is what we have done now. Understood this much? Now, after this, now it's still you people. You are waiting me to tell. After this, what is to be done?
So we have to multiply the
We will multiply 11 and 7. Then
77.
77 plus 1. 78. Then
13 into 78.
13 into 78. Then
And
Over.
5 factor.
prime factor is of what?
The
Product.
Products. Which one? We will multiply everything. Then you take the product. Yes or no? Then 78 you factorize. Are you following? I am trying to get the answer from you. This much you have followed. After that, if you want to simplify, means 7 and 11 you can multiply. Listen now, you don't write. These people are not come to sit and write. Understand first. 77 plus 1 is 78. So 13 into 78. Are you following area? Don't write. So 78 you can factorize, then you will get. Not require that one. This much is clear. Here, what is the factor here? What is the factor over here by looking? And is it 13 is a factor? What is the meaning of factor? Wow, very good. What is the factor of 10? 5 is a factor. Why 5 is a factor? Why 5 is a factor of 10? Tell why 5 is a factor of 10? Because 10 can be written as 5 into 2. What is another factor of 10? 2. Why 2? Because 2 into 5. 27 or 28. Is it 2 is a factor?
Yes.
Why it is 2 is a factor? Because it is 2 into some number you can write. So here, what is the factor over here? What is the factor over here? 13. Because it is 13. So you want 13 is a factor? Yes or no? Then, So the one is another factor for every number, and the number itself is another factor. So how many factors you got? 3 factors you already got now. That means it has more than 2 factors, therefore it's a composite number. You don't need to simplify anything. Okay, this one, since time is over, you don't do it now. This I will explain again, because even factors also forgot everyone. What is the meaning of factor? How to take common factor? All these things. Now, this we will. That is why I said in the next class we will discuss. My friend is writing only. So don't write. Listen. This question, don't do it. Homework, listen now. All of you listen for the homework. First and foremost thing is squares and cubes you have to learn. Second, whatever the classwork is done, you have to redo. Because I am seeing majority are struggling to do the sums. Almost everyone is struggling to do. Plus, homework exercise. There is a homework exercise is there? Yes or no? In the homework exercise, how many questions are there? 11 questions are there. Let me check. Okay. First 7 questions, all of you do. 1 to 7. How many questions? 1 to 7 you have to do. Homework exercise 1 to 7. Follow what are the homework is given to you? What are the homework is given?
Square and cube.
Square and cubes. The
We have to
classwork
redo
which we
the
have done
number.
is you do it. Just wait. No. Okay. Wait. Okay. Classwork exercise. Okay. Whatever done, once again do it because we are struggling. Homework exercise. Thank you. Bye. Go home. But what is the doubt? Which question? 7th one. Once again go through this one. Then next class I will explain to you again. Okay, clear. Understood. Okay. Unity was that. Okay. Not worry. Next class.
Huwa,